Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on TECNO Pova 6 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click on Let's do this and then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Click accept. And then click on supervise. Now click on next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And then click next. Now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. Then click allow. And now you have to scroll down and click next. Then click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.